This is room 7347. Oh, sweet. On the Carnival Legend. So this is the main entry. It's got nice little wooden floors as you come in. A little shelf. And you got your little storage hooks. And of course the map on the back to show you where you are and where your muster station is. Main power switches, which will turn pretty much everything on when you walk in. And then have a nice mirror here in the high. And lamps, of course, they have the USBs in there. They're not the highest wattage, but they will charge some of the newer phones. Got a little bit of storage down here. Of course, we have the couch, which does fold out into a bed. And the little end table, which is adjustable. There's a little thingy down here. You just gotta lift up the table, and then lock it back down. So it elevates the height on that. Got some cute little artwork, little sitting stool. Over here, we have the main area, if you will. You got a little storage down here. Of course, the mini fridge, a little stool. Another lamp that does contain all of your USBs. One thing of note here, there is no 110 power. There is just a 220 European outlet. We did notice behind TV number 1, a little storage there is an open on the bottom there 110 plug. So if you have a small extension cord, you can definitely plug stuff in up there. And then of course you have the switches pretty much everywhere you go. And then we have a little sitting area, if you will. It's not the biggest, but it's kind of cool. And you got a 110 and a 220 outlet here. And then you have a couple different drawers. And then your hair dryer is stashed in here. Of course, more switches. And then we have the bathroom. So it's actually a really decent sized bathroom. It's got dual sinks. Your traditional storage racks. Your shaver plug. Plenty of towels, and the tub. So the tub is quite high, so you can see my knee up against it. So we're going to request a stool for Liz so she can get up and in without falling down, and I'll probably use it too. It is a suite, so you do have the Elemis brand, if you will, not your standard shampoo and conditioner. Then you step out of here. It does have the cool wood panels on the doors too. And we go into the bedroom. So, decent sized bedroom. One thing of note, on the side here, it is quite narrow. So I actually kicked the bed over just a little bit so I can fit my butt down inside there. You got another phone in back. Both lamps do have the USB ports on them. I'm going to spin around and see TV number 2. Much like the one up front, behind here there is another 110 plug. So if you get this room and you need more power, bring extension cords. We got the safe hiding in there. And of course, more drawers, a little bit of storage. And then we got Liz. And then we're going to go to Liz's favorite part, the closet. So it is a very good size, literal walk-in closet. You got your life preservers up there. You got plenty of storage. These guys do flip up and down, so if you needed more hanging, you got a bar up there. Extra pillows, more storage, and cool artwork again. And lots of little windows here. So there's 3 windows in the bedroom alone, so you can just look almost, anywhere and be outside. And then this is the other way out of the bedroom. It's weird. There's a door. And Liz in a door. So then we're gonna go out to one of the cooler parts of this room, which is the balcony. And it is massive. So So that is a full-size recliner. Spin around. There's Liz again. So you can see she can easily walk back and forth with, plenty of room, because a lot of these are narrow. Another thing of note on these particular back balconies is you do get a little bit of soot, so if you have anything white, don't keep it outside. But then it wraps around the edge. So it is absolutely a large balcony. Liz on it again. Wow, she's here a lot. So yeah, that was room
7347.
7347 on the Carnival Legend. Enjoy.